Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the form ready, so start by opening its Responses tab and clicking the green Sheets icon. Choose Create a new spreadsheet or select Existing, then pick the sheet and click Select. Once done, make sure the sheet has headers and some sample responses so Excel mapping is obvious. If you prefer a CSV export later, ensure the sheet's locale and date formats match what Excel expects. Now that the form is linked, move to exporting or syncing for Excel use. To get the data into Excel, choose either a one-time CSV download or set up a recurring sync. For CSV, in Google Sheets, use File Download CSV and open in Excel. That preserves values. For ongoing updates, use Power Query in Excel to connect to the Google Sheets published CSV URL or install a Sheets add-on that exports automatically. This keeps headers consistent. Make sure to standardize date and number formats inside the sheet before importing. That prevents type mismatches and broken formulas later. Finish by importing the CSV into Excel or refreshing your Power Query connection so responses flow in. Once data appears, validate columns, remove duplicated headers, and set correct data types for dates and numbers. If formulas rely on new rows, convert the table to an Excel table to auto-expand. If something goes wrong, the most common fix is permissions and locale. Confirm the Google Sheet is shared properly. Refresh OAuth tokens or republish the CSV, and check locale settings to avoid date parsing errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.